What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with our drink review taste test video. Mountain Dew has come out with 4 new flavors in the last few days of Mountain Dew. I've been able to so far find 3 of them, so I'm reviewing each of them in their own video. And when I find the 4th one, that will be in its own video too. This is Mtn Dew Liberty Chill. It says 50 flavors in 1 Dew. So that makes you wonder what's in there, what's it going to taste like. Very cool, like patriotic label. The 3 flavors were red, white, and blue colored. You see a woman riding a motorcycle. You see a Statue of Liberty crown. You see stars. You see a torch. Skyline in the back. It looks like the Washington Monument. Very cool. Alright. Let's give this a taste. Well, let's do the sniff test. What does that remind me of? It's supposed to have 50 flavors in it, so definitely smells like liquid candy. Kind of reminds me of like blue raspberry, icy, maybe cherry. It almost has like a licorice flavor too, or smell to it. Give it a try. Yeah. It reminds me of a blue raspberry icy. What's interesting is I picked this up at a Walmart. They have 3 Mountain Dews that are pretty much the same color. Frostbite, Voltage, and now Liberty Chill. I swear it almost tastes like a little bit of a licorice in there too. But yeah, I taste like blue raspberry. I taste cherry, strawberry maybe. There's a lot of berry stuff in there. There's a lot of stuff going on. They did say 50 flavors, and of course that classic Dew flavor, which is always every Dew, no matter the flavor, always had a little bit of that classic Dew in there. But yeah, it definitely interesting. Very sweet though, 290 calories. Very cool looking label. Alright, that's it. There's no dye or zero sugar version, so this is the original. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye everybody, bye. Okay, let's get on to the next one.